Use a Fry Daddy to make steak fries. If you want to be able to cook restaurant-style steak cut fries, then a Presto Fry Daddy is a kitchen essential in your home. This handy product lets you deep fry items at a constant temperature, taking away the guesswork out of the cooking process. It's a convenient way to cook items that lets you have restaurant-quality results every time. A great recipe to make with a Fry Daddy is steak cut fries. Here's how to make it. Read the user's manual first. As with any new gadget or appliance, it's best to read the owner's manual before using it. If it is your first time to use the Fry Daddy, wash the parts with warm soapy water and dry carefully before assembling again. Prepare your ingredients. To make steak cut fries, you will need 4 pounds of russet potatoes, some salt, pepper, paprika, and cayenne pepper. You will also need 1/4 cup of flour to serve as a coating for the fries. To fry the potatoes, you will need about 4 cups of vegetable oil. Use new cooking oil when making potatoes because the potatoes will absorb any flavor in the cooking oil. Fill the Fry Daddy with oil. Place 4 cups of new vegetable cooking oil in the frying compartment of the Fry Daddy. Preheat the Fry Daddy. Plug the unit and set it at the desired temperature. It will take about 15 minutes before the fryer is ready. You can use this time to prepare the potatoes. Make the steak cut fries. Wash the potatoes and cut it into 1/4 inch wedges. There's no need to peel the potatoes when making steak cut fries. In a large ziplock bag, combine the flour, salt, pepper, paprika, and if you want some spice, a bit of cayenne pepper. Toss the potatoes in so that each piece is well coated with the flour mixture. Place the potatoes in the fryer. When the indicator light is ready, start cooking the potatoes. Avoid overcrowding the fryer if you want well-cooked potatoes. Cook for 15 minutes. Leave the items in the Fry Daddy for about 15 minutes to have golden brown steak cut fries. There's no need to move the fries around since the fryer will have a consistent temperature. Remove the potatoes. When the fries are ready, remove the potatoes and allow them to drain in a sieve or over paper towels to absorb the excess oil. Serve the fries hot. You may add some additional seasoning of salt and a bit of pepper. Most people like their steak cut fries served with tomato catsup. Others prefer a good serving of mayonnaise. Steak fries go great with a nice juicy burger, or a grilled steak. It can also be enjoyed as a snack all on its own. Make sure to clean your Fry Daddy carefully before you pack and store it away. Discard the used oil properly and wash the parts of the Fry Daddy with warm soapy water. Allow the unit to cool properly before disassembling and cleaning it. If you use your Fry Daddy properly, you can use this handy kitchen tool for many years.